finally time to clean this out, get it ready for the new cage. And for those that don't know, I had bought this car. It had really bad top damage on the passenger side. Enough of the boring stuff. Got the car pretty much all cleaned out. Still a lot of glass, but oh well on that. Till I get all of this cut out, there's gonna be more glass. I'm not sure if I will have to take the dash out. Well, the cage came in. I already unboxed some of it. Let's do the rest. See what we have in this box. Alright, got most of everything undone. We got the cage finally. Let's get to it. Alright, what we're doing here is we're taking this cowl off. Buddy already got the windshield wiper off. Gonna take this dash out so that we can cut this other piece off. Alright, the XO finally without a window. Still need to clean up all the glass, but finally can start mocking up this cage. Alright, we got the main hoop, the halo, and he's holding that door bar, but it's coming together. Need to actually work on how far back it is. A little bit too far back. Need to bring that up. Got the cage scooted up some. Now it definitely fits a lot better, but I think it's gonna sit too low. Have to modify that. Somewhat got a cage. We have these door bars that we are thinking about using. Not sure yet. Put those anywhere. Still need to get most of the bars notched the right way. Everything's just kind of tacked and sitting there for now, but it'll come together. Really excited to finally have at least something mocked up on this. This is a pretty basic concept for what the cage is going to be, but we'll be adding more bars on the top. Pretty much, there's a lot more bars that'll be getting added around this thing. Something kind of like this, maybe. Kind of looking at that. Really like how that looks. Just chop these right here. Fit those. Then, like we were saying, put this door bar right here, but not sure if I want these here. Another thing, gonna have to get longer pillar bars made. That'll be happening very soon. Like in the video, I had to change the back out, but done cut these. The fitment's pretty precise on that, but this main hoop is way taller. That's hence why this has so much of a gap right now. Next, I will be getting all the foot plates welded in. Like I said, I'll have new bars right here. Getting all of that welded in, welding in the cage. Testing a lot more bar locations. Need the back harness bar. There's just a lot of bar that goes across the dash. But probably be taking it for a ride maybe next time. If I get all of this welded in, it'll definitely be going down the road. Well, thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, leave a thumbs up. Still got a lot more to do. I'll see you in the next one.